Hello and welcome to another full bean tutorial. In this session I'm going to show how I use the video viewing and editing program Irfanview to add borders to an image. So first I will go to the website and download the 64-bit version of Irfanview. I'll also download the corresponding 64-bit Irfanview plugins. Having done that, I'll install the program and the plugins. Then I'll open Irfanview and choose an image. Next I have to click on image and then add borders and frames. So I click on that and I see a variety of options. I had worked with this previously and selected a 15 pixel frame. You can see that on the image on the right. To make that more dramatic, let's change that to something larger. You've got a variety of options here, and clicking on them will display how that modifies the image. After you've got the look that you like, click OK, and then you also have to save that image. So File, Save, and Save. Now when I open that image, you can see that it has the frame around it. And it's as simple as that. I hope that you found this tutorial to be informative. Thank you for watching.